Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to analyze the overall asset class performance and also look at some of the rallying cryptos such as XRP, Litecoin, and XLM. None of the content is financial advice. Over the last 24 hours, XLM is up by about 12%, Litecoin about 11%, and XRP up by about 9%. You can check each of these assets on aggregators such as CoinMarketCap, how they're performing right now. Again, they look at the performance slightly different, but up by about 7% over here. Litecoin up by about 9.5% over here, and XLM should be somewhere in the top 10, up by about 6.5%. Look, coming back to the Crypto Weekly's chart, right now the market as a social narrative based word cloud is still gearing for another bullish momentum over here. Bitcoin and altcoins both are being discussed at this point. Again, you can see the range of the crypto asset class right now over the last 24 hours is at least over the last 24 hours is controlled heavily by the altcoins. Then again, over the last 7 days also, altcoins are leading the charge. Bitcoin is still in the top half in terms of performers over the last 30 days. Most of the altcoins, especially XLM bar and XTZ, which is Tezos, are leading the rally over the last 90 days. ETH has outperformed most of the famous or the top cryptos by market cap. That has signaled a shift in the structure of the market, where altcoins as a narrative are gearing up, especially with ETH and altcoins leading the bullish momentum for the asset class. That is, right now ETH is coming in at around 3600, price of Bitcoin above $115,000 after a brief pullback over the last couple of weeks. Again, the next level for ETH is coming close to about 4k to look for in terms of the XRP's price action. Again, this is the realistic case for XRP over the next 6 months per the machine learning based price outlook, between $3 to about $4.65 after a major rally behind of us from 15 cents to now almost a 10x close to that $5 target for XRP. Coming to Litecoin, the machine learning based price forecast. Again, all these graphs are available on cryptoweeklies.com. The euphoria case for Litecoin in the next 6 months is between $144 to about $311. That's the 2 standard deviation bull case. The 1 standard deviation case right now is at around caps at around $200, and the 3 standard deviation euphoria case is all the way about $440. Realistically speaking, the eventual peak could be somewhere between the as an average of this $210 and $310 forecast, close to that $250 level for Litecoin. The third crypto that we look for today's analysis is XLM, which is just Stellar's crypto. The price outlook for that particular crypto is between 48 cents and about $1.83, about roughly speaking a 4x from the current price action. Looking at some of the popular names in terms of their estimated bull run target, what we have over here is looking, this is again sorted alphabetically from the ticker price, but you can see over here XRP's estimated bull run peak as permissible from the risk based model is at around $8.80. Right now the weighted risk is about 1/3. If it peaks at around 95.95, that is, at the peak, the estimated bull run target for XRP could be at around $8.80. Again, that assumes all the models go to that 90% risk. Right now 95%. Right now time weighted average price is at around 90% risk. For Litecoin, the estimated bull run target is at around $540, roughly 4.5x from the current price, as the weighted risk approaches about 0.21. The machine learning models are slightly more conservative than the risk-based models, because machine learning models look for standard deviation and historical price action, whereas these risk-based models have this what-if scenario where if the price action were to go to the highest euphoria peak territory, what is the maximum permissible bull case for each of these cryptos. For XLM, it's a slightly different story. The weighted risk is currently at around 27% or 0.27. Estimated bull run peak at around $1.40. Still about a 3.5x from the current price of about 41 cents. Slightly below the machine learning based price forecast again. That means all in all, these three cryptos that we discussed today right now are holding a lot of positive forward momentum. Let's see again, for especially for Litecoin, as it is a leader not in just the last 24 hours but also the last 7 days, and also the opposite of that is for XLM, where it has taken a breather over the last 7 days, but still again down only by just 1.5%, whereas it's a leader over the last 30 days in terms of performance, and also over the last 90 days number third spot. So all in all, right now, more attention on in terms of how XLM performs, and again XRP, and then followed by Litecoin. With that, I'd like to conclude the video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please give a like and subscribe, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.